2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Yamaha YZF R3. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 stands out as an exceptional choice, offering a perfect blend of sporty performance, rider-friendly features, and a stylish design. Renowned for its dynamic character and approachable demeanor, the YZF R3 caters to novice enthusiasts who crave the exhilaration of sport riding while ensuring a supportive platform for skill development. 1. Sporty Supersport Design. The Yamaha YZF R3 exudes the unmistakable aesthetics of a supersport motorcycle. With sharp lines, twin headlights, and an aggressive stance, the R3 boasts a design that mirrors its larger, high-performance siblings. This sporty visual appeal not only attracts riders seeking a bold and dynamic look but also sets the stage for an engaging and thrilling riding experience. 2. Nimble handling for confident riding. Weighing in at a modest figure, the YZF R3 features a lightweight and agile chassis, contributing to nimble handling. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's responsiveness, allowing for confident maneuvering through city streets and sharp turns. The YZF R3 strikes a balance that encourages skill development without overwhelming beginners, providing a gradual introduction to the sport riding experience. 3. Responsive twin-cylinder engine. Powering the YZF R3 is a responsive 321 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine that delivers an exciting yet manageable performance. The engine's smooth power delivery and torque make it an ideal choice for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The YZF R3 offers sufficient power to satiate the desire for speed while ensuring a controlled and accessible riding experience for those in the early stages of their motorcycling journey. 4. Comfortable sport riding ergonomics. While the YZF R3 embraces its sporty roots, it doesn't compromise on rider comfort. The bike features a sport riding position that strikes a balance between performance and comfort. The clip-on handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs create an ergonomic setup that encourages an engaged riding posture without causing excessive strain on the rider's body, making it suitable for both spirited rides and daily commutes. 5. Advanced features and safety. Despite being positioned as an entry-level supersport, the YZF R3 incorporates modern features to enhance both safety and convenience. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 may come standard, providing riders with added confidence and control, especially in emergency braking situations. The YZF R3 may also feature a digital instrument cluster, offering riders essential information at a glance. Conclusion. In the diverse world of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 emerges as an exhilarating choice for riders eager to dive into the world of sport riding. Its sporty supersport design, nimble handling, responsive twin-cylinder engine, comfortable ergonomics,